iPad, iPhone, dishwasher. Take a sneak peek. Looks like it's still... Oh man, the iPad shut off. So I put the camera on and it closed the app, so looks like even that didn't work. But I hope I got some footage from it. We'll go ahead and take a look at that, and let's go ahead and see what the iPhone's got down here. Looks like it's still recording. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at what this footage looks like. The phone is still intact. Everything is still working great. And it looks like, well, thank you very much for the use of your phone, my dearest mother. Looks like it survived. So this is my mom's iPhone 4. But anyway, the iPhone survived inside the LifeProof case. Let's go ahead and take a look at the iPad. And it looks like everything is still working. It's just because the touchscreen is completely exposed, the water got to it. As you can see, it even started searching something. I don't even know what the water did. While it was in there, I think the water was having fun on the touchscreen. But everything is fine. Looks like the iPad works great, so I'm looking forward to seeing what the footage looks like. There we go. iPad, iPhone, and a dishwasher.